why trading the Forex is a good skill to have. It's very important. You know, as we are dealing with these multiple streams of income and having these ways of making money, you know, you gotta, you know, and this passive income and active income and all these multiple streams of income making you money, get some skills. Real estate skills, internet marketing skills, and one that I really like and love because you can do it from your house and you don't need to recruit and you don't need to put out the information, is trading. One of the trading that I really love is Forex, because Forex, you can literally do it in your pajamas. You can do it from your home, and all you have to do is wait for the market to open, and the market is going to open in 40 minutes at 2 p.m. And I believe that the Forex market is the easiest market to trade. What is the Forex market? It is the market that is dealing with currency, the currency of each country, the euro, the British pound, the Japanese dollar, the US dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the Swiss dollar, etc., etc., etc. And they're paired against each other, like the euro versus the US dollar, the US Japanese versus the US dollar, things of that nature. Even the US versus Bitcoin. And you can put yourself in the position, hey, Heather, how are you? Hey, Raina and Sabonjo West. And what you can do is put yourself in a position to make tremendous money. It's like, for instance, right now I'm at my daughter's house watching my grandchildren. They're seeing my grandchildren. And later on this evening, I get to trade on the Sunday while people are relaxing. And I get to trade and make money on a Sunday. Of course, I have my passive programs going too, but I believe in active income also, which for me, trading myself is active. Some people will call that passive. I actually call that active income because I'm actually doing something. Now, I do have managed accounts, Forex accounts too, where other people are trading, which I need to turn you guys on to. Inbox me if you're interested. Other people are trading, and we're up really high, but I can trade myself. But I believe that people should have alternatives and should have passive, where it's not always dependent on them. But some people actually call trading, because it doesn't take up a lot of your time, they call it passive. Because literally, it takes me 5 minutes or less to see a successful entry for a trade. That's why I love the Forex. I don't have to do a lot of research. I don't have to research the businesses in like the stock market or in cryptocurrency. I don't have to research the coins and see what they're doing and who's backing it. The Forex, who's backing the coin. In the Forex, all I got to do is look at the platform. All I got to do is look at the platform to see where the trade, if there's a good trade. All I have to do is look at the candlestick pairs and look at where support and resistance are, or what we like to call supply and demand. And once you do that, it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Know the trend and know the counter trend. Dwayne, you didn't text me back. Really, Heather? When did you call me? I'm so offended. Really? Well, text me again. Inbox me. I've got so many texts. Some of them I don't even see. My son just text me. I didn't even know he texted me. That was 2 days ago. So some texts I don't even see. So what you want to do is like I was talking about with the Forex. Trading is fun. Once you get it, it's not even work. It's like tying your shoe. That's how easy it is. You know, we got to get out of this work mode. We got to get into having adventures, having excitement. playing, having fun, enjoying the process of what you do, lifestyle. Okay? So you won't be stressed out, and you won't be using words like work and grinding. I work hard. Nothing wrong with work. It's working hard. Hard. You work hard. No, you don't want to work hard. If you're doing something 12, 14 hours a day, it shouldn't be work. If it's your passion, it's play. It's part of your lifestyle. People would consider this work, oh, getting in front of a camera and talking. No, this is fun to me. This is fun. Trading is fun. Pick things that when you're making money that's fun, that you're learning something, that you're being creative, that you're doing you, as I talked about on one of my last videos, doing you. I'm the person that can help you make money. I can help you make money by teaching you how to trade. I can help you make money by getting your mind right. I can help you make money by eating correctly so you can have the energy to do what you love. See, when you're not eating correctly and you're not doing what you love, that's when it's work. That's when it's a grind. But when you love it, it's not even work. It's not work anymore. It's play. So understand that this Forex thing is a way to free you to do the things that you want. My passive income programs is a way to free you to do what you want. Internet marketing frees you to do what you want. But today, what's important is learning a skill. And I feel one of the best skills for you to learn is trading the Forex. The Forex market, biggest trading market in the world. It's a $6 trillion a day industry where the stock market is only a $6 billion a day industry. I want you to enjoy yourself. Like when you understand how to read patterns on a chart, a Forex chart, when you understand when it's high, when it's at resistance, and you make a trade to make money going down, yes, you can make money when the Euro US is going up or going down. So, and then you have to know when it's at support, when it's low, and make money and jump in it while it's going up. You want to get into it before it goes up, right? When it's sitting there on support, jump into it and make money while it's going up. You can actually, the market come to you. Too many people are jumping into the market and they don't know when to jump in. That's why they lose money. Oh, it's going up. Let me jump in. No, that's not time to get in. You've missed it. Wait till it's where it be so you can do it. Work the play, correct. And it's holistic. The Forex, when you're trading, is holistic. I'm a relaxed trader. I'm not a trader I don't take big risk. Now, I'll have accounts where people take risk. That's no problem because that's the way they like to trade. But I'm a relaxed trader. I'm an easygoing trader. My trade style is some people will call me a day trader. Anywhere from 1 day or intraday trader. Day trader, intraday trader, they call me both. But on average, I'm in a trade for 1 to 3 days. I'm in the 1 to 3 days. Okay? So, I drink my tea or my juice or my water. I work out, I meditate, then I trade. Okay? Do my deep breathing. Then I see myself making a whole lot of money today, trading, and then I trade. I connect myself with the purpose of trading. Then I make my trade. Literally, it takes me 5 minutes. I see a trade, get in a trade, and then I look at it maybe once every 4 hours just to see where the trade is. And, I just look at it. Then the next day, I look at it, see where I'm at, put in my, move my stop loss up in profit, see where I'm at. And then, next day, if it hits my designated spot, the area where I want to get out of it, and I'll show you that too. When to enter a trade, when to get out of a trade. This is what's exciting about the Forex. There's millionaires all around the world that trade the Forex. These are some of the biggest millionaires in the world, people who trade. That's why it's such a good skill to learn and get. And I'm going to be teaching a trading class in January. It's going to be an intensive, 2-week intensive. I'm going to teach you the nuts and bolts of trading. I'm going to teach you price recognition. Price action, pattern recognition, where your support and resistance are, how to trade with the trend, how to trade against the trend. I'm going to teach you all this, how to manage a trade, and you'll be able to see a trade on any chart within a few minutes after I'm done with you. If you go to the Wealth Portal Inc., you can register. All you got to do is pay the $195. Where it says buy your videos, buy the trading videos on Forex Success Club. Pay for your videos and just inbox me. You can start looking at them now, and we're going to start a training in 2 weeks, sometime in January, maybe not 2 weeks, after Christmas, after Kwanzaa, after Feliz Navidad. It'll be in January, probably the second week in January, because you know, y'all. First week in January, you're dizzy and you're trying to get over, and ate Christmas and all the Christmas, Thanksgiving food, the Christmas food, and got drunk New Year's. So you resting the first week of January. Second week of January, we're going to start a class. It's going to last for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's going to be Monday through Thursday for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 8 classes. Probably do a couple of Sundays too. But it'll be for 2 weeks training. Hour a day, Monday through Thursday. 2 days I don't trade on is Sunday and Sunday and Friday. I may sometimes trade on Sunday if there's a gap strategy to be played. And I'll explain that later. But only if it's gap strategy. Other than that, I trade Monday through Thursday. And I'm going to teach you how to make money. So you don't have to leave your house. You can be anywhere around the world. This is one part of my laptop lifestyle, or laptop riches system, where you can use a laptop or you can use a phone. So you can be anywhere around the world. And that's what I love. And that's how we make money here, ladies and gentlemen. So the Forex is just a wonderful way. So if anybody's interested in the class, inbox me. Or check with my email, mooneysuccess@yahoo.com. Or buy the videos at thewealthportalinc.com, and learn the game. I'm going to put this on YouTube, so you'll see it on YouTube. You'll actually see it on Forex. I'll put it in here too. The Wealth Portal Inc. You guys pretty much know that. And buy the videos, buy the tutorials. And believe me, the training you get in for free because you bought the tutorials. So if you take the training, you're going to get the tutorials. If you buy the tutorials, you're going to get the training. It's back and forth. I'm making this worth your while for January. So you get the tutorials for free. And you also get the live training. That's going to be for 2 weeks. Okay? Monday through Thursday, it'll start at 6, maybe 7. It depends if I get more people from the East Coast or the West Coast. It'll be 6 or 7. Okay? So that's what we're doing. We're making life exciting. We're having fun. I teach in an upbeat style. You're going to learn it, but you're going to learn these mindset skills too. We got to get that mind together. We got to think prosperity. We got to think greatness. We got to believe that we are master traders. We got to do that. So that's a part of it. It's just not trading. I got to get you into the mindset of creating your reality through training, through trading, and making as much money as you want through trading, developing a lifestyle through trading. Okay? Where you understand how the Forex market works. It's a part of your lifestyle. And that's the way I teach. To get it programmed in here that you are a money-making Forex trader. Okay? So this is Dwayne Mooney.